The last part of our lecture today will be covering academic honesty. So academic honesty mainly is talking about plagiarism. There are some other versions of academic honesty or dishonesty, like if you're outright cheating, things like that, but we're going to mainly cover plagiarism today. So the first question says, what is plagiarism? So plagiarism is basically any time you use information from somebody else, so a different source, whether that is a book, an article, an actual person, a video, a website, right? You're using information that is not your own, that idea did not originally come from you, it came from somebody else. So anytime you use information from another source, you have to say where that information comes from. If you do not say where that information comes from, then it's plagiarism. So then the next question says, can you plagiarize even if you don't mean to? Absolutely. So if you include information from a source and you don't say where it comes from, even if you wanted to and you just forgot, or maybe you didn't know you were supposed to, that doesn't matter. It still counts as plagiarism. Even sometimes if you do include where the source, where you got your information from and you include your source, if you don't paraphrase correctly, if you don't cite your source in the right way, you could get some points taken off and it could be close to plagiarism. So unfortunately, your intentions do not matter. You need to make sure you know the rules for plagiarism and making sure you're giving credit to other people when you use their information. So at this point, I would like you to pause the video and read the two articles, Common Types of Plagiarism and Paraphrasing Example. While you are reading these two articles, please highlight or write some notes that will go with these two questions. Question A, which types of plagiarism were you not aware of before reading this article? And then question B, which types of plagiarism will you personally have to watch for when writing? So these questions are also posted on the assignment for the lecture, so you will need to answer those as part of the lecture assignment. The last piece here about academic honesty is going to be about consequences for plagiarism at RVC. So I have included the link for the RVC Student Handbook. You can go ahead and click on that, and if you go to page 49, it's going to talk about different types of academic misconduct and then different types of consequences that may be taken if you are found to be guilty of one of those types. So please make sure you're aware it is very serious. But as long as you are giving credit to your sources, you should be fine.